Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Well, guys, pond's looking really good. It's actually a little stirred up here. They're actually moving a bit more now. We have 3 in the basement right now, in quarantine. Not sold on. I actually don't like them in the basement. But I don't like having sick fish. The weather is supposed to get warmer coming up, so that's great. I really just hate having sick fish. Yeah, so my sparkly pink one there, he's got some fungus, and another one has fungus, and one was slow, but because now they're all in the same tank, I almost should have put them in separate tanks. I'm only going to take them out when they're better. So anyways, it is what it is. Look at this. Look. All these flowers are now opening because it's nice. It's sunny. It's the way it should be right now. These here are bee bombs. I just transplanted these yesterday. Yes, the UV clarifier. So one's working. This one I don't have plugged in. It's kind of temperamental. It's not really working the greatest. It'll turn blue. This one's still blue. So that's good. I redirected the flow of the water here, and there's no stress on this. So I extended this piece, and then I cut it here and made it flow this way, and then the final piece is going down but pointing this way. So the water's kind of moving a little more, but you couldn't even tell right here. We just need some plants right here. That's what we need. Now, the bog's working great. This is working great. The pond was actually way clearer this morning. But overall, still looks good. We're gonna give them a little bit of food. Just a little bit. See how they are. They're moving a lot more today. It's great. And you know what? I just hope they all get better. I feel as though the warmth will actually fix these guys. I really hope. So depending on what happens, I might bring those other fish out. I'm not 100% sure. Not 100% sure. Guys, remember, like and subscribe. Do it. But yeah, we should also be getting tropical water lilies soon. Should be. So we'll see. I also planted, looks like it got broken here. Some bee balm here. And then I planted some, there you go. Some froggies. Planted one right here. Oh, there they are. 1, 2. Appear out of nowhere. Oh, they're like hiding. And wha-bam, there's a whole load of them. So it's great. My son goes, hey, look, There's a plant growing down there. It's, it all slid, but it's like one of those guys there. So, oh, did I plant a bee balm here? Oh, I just threw it there. Huh. I did not actually plant that one. You know what? If we get some dirt, it should work well there. Why don't we go get some dirt? We'll go get some right over here, and then we'll plant it in. So the pond was like super clear this morning, but now that they're moving because the water's getting warmer, it's definitely a good thing. Yeah, this stuff, it's all gonna spread. And then I added, so you can see this here. There's a spotlight right here. It's a rock spotlight. And there's one right there. I just had them on the plants, and we'll see how it looks. Here, let's just do this. Just need a little bit. We'll plant this thing, and yeah. So one thing I need to do. So I shut this off. This guy here. In order so I can see how the water was this morning, and it was clear. I could see right to the bottom. Definitely not that way right now. All right, you know what? Let's do that. All right, planted, done. So we'll see what happens. Now, next thing, look at this. There's just so much growing. Next thing, we just need some flowers from the water lilies. Seriously. You know, part of me feels as though I should have waited for those fish. Part of me feels like I shouldn't have. I'm not sure. There we go. Plugged again. Oh, bam. So, it's looking great now. Things are slowly coming along. Now, one thing I did want to show you is over here. All the rose bushes. So we have one growing here. Somewhere, I saw somewhere you should be cutting all the blooms to promote it to grow. So I'm not sure if I should. I'm not really a rose person. All I want it to do is survive. I want them to thrive here. So I'm not 100% sure, but guys, look at this. All the honeysuckle. Look, it's growing. It's attaching itself. This one here, it's all kind of intertwined. Actually, doesn't look the greatest right there. But anyways, we'll see what happens. These ones are the smallest, but this is connecting. A whole bunch of blooms there. This one's growing here. Look at this. Look at the blooms there. They're gonna start soon. I can't wait. Can't wait. More blooms there. Bird poo. There's actually right there a nest. But look at this. Bird poo on them still. But these ones are all doing fabulous. So, and then here I got all the clematis planted, so we'll see if these come in. I'm a little skeptical, but we'll see. So, yeah, Things are coming along. And then what I need to do, I need to put a T-bar in here and help support this. So I don't need this falling. But yeah, overall, things are good. All right, folks, like and subscribe, do it. And we will see you later.